is more popular.
Nee man, Fabio, you must A out.
Huh?
You must press the button, man.
You know what?
Press the button.
What button?
You must A out.
Oh, that's a wild Fabian.
Fabian in the wild.
Fabian in the wild.
Hello, Brett.
Morning.
I just come so out of the blue.
It's a very new. Hello, hi.
Morning, guys. Hello, hi. So,
Always like
we are got made to come this time of the morning just to catch a sunrise. We're busy with something special. Fabian is nog babbelas.
I think I still smell like rum. Yes.
Brett is fine, I think. He's used to getting up so early.
Venus here.
We're at the engine garage off the N7 on our way to Namibia.
And you forgot a sticky chicken mayo there.
Oh,
Yeah, he was vlogging.
Oh,
I
that's
get
okay.
on my big fan. He's vlogging. He's vlogging here, chicken mayo in his big.
alright, but
Just quick release.
hello, hi. Jo, dis mos weer kak lekker, né? Kyk wat sit in teken die man.
You should do this kak in school.
So we here at the dunes. Fabian is nou besig om vuil goed hier aan te vang.
What's gonna come next? What's gonna come next? Puna!
So Fabian, I don't know if you want to met jou babbelas vanoggend net vir ons 'n
Pray.
gebed oopmaak.
You start with the pray.
So I think just maybe give the guys a bit of a glimpse
Of what?
what we're busy with. We're busy with something special.
Was I like say it like secretly?
Uh,
But I just say what we're doing.
we'll just say what we're doing.
Are we busy with synthesis?
3.
So yeah, we're going with a different approach. We're trying to do, obviously, trying to do something different. Got my ass up at 5 o'clock this morning after partying last night. So just to come scout for locations and yeah, was I tell them where we are?
Yeah, you can say.
Okay. We in Egypt now at the moment.
Ons is in die Sahara Desert.
We're in Abu Dhabi. But yeah, this is Atlantis Dunes. My bro, I live in Cape Town. I haven't been here. I don't know about this.
I mean, just look at those views here.
I've heard about Atlantis Dunes, but I never expected to look like this.
It looks like you're in another country.
I'm actually quite elected to go on a 4-wheeler here.
That's what we need. That's if anybody wants to sponsor us, a 4-wheeler, borrow the 4-wheeler, then we can give them liquor shots here. But I'm not walking my ass off on the sand. But yeah, this is Atlantis Dunes and I've never been here. It's my first time here. So a lot of guys with a few guys with scramblers and stuff. But yeah, this is more for the guys with the 4-wheel drives, stuff like that. So
Right. Yeah, we'll catch another vloggy now.
location is key. Location is key for this one, no?
Uh-huh.
For this time around, synthesis location is key. So
And
we're running out of ideas. Well, not out of ideas, but out of locations in
Locations.
Cape Town. So we're actually forced to start going out of town because that's actually very nice locations out of town.
And Summer's not that far.
Yeah. Like I said, the guys want that you want to do photo shoots or stuff like that. We want to start going out.
It's like I said to you, when we went now the other day to Silvermine to hike, there's a long road into it, but one of the roads has the backdrop of Cape Town in the background.
Yeah.
And it's Silvermine's not far
Yeah.
out or whatever, so it's actually quite cool.
Yeah, because there's now so many photographers and everybody shooting. You always want a different location, so
Yeah, you don't want to overstep on boundaries where you use the same location
there's another guy.
as another guy.
But yeah, all I know is Div wants to shoot my car, he must drink petrol first.
4x4 tires on the Kilsima.
But yeah, I think we must start doing more locations out of no, I won't say like out of Cape Town, but just out of the central.
That's not even so far. man.
Well, there
Half an hour.
is something special coming out of Cape Town.
What?
That's not going to be at Cape Town.
What? I'm the only one.
Didn't you read the group? Didn't you see the picture that was?
Oh!
Said, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes!
Ons gaan 'n bietjie
guys,
Belgium toe.
I'm lost, sorry man. Yeah, we have our own personalized photographer that's getting content for us there.
Synthesis has gone international, yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, guys, we want to keep this going. We want to keep Synthesis going. So we need more cars also to shoot. Obviously, every Synthesis have different cars. I don't know if we have a list of cars. We have a few ideas of cars.
I think the whole Unity vibe is now we want to reach beyond South Africa. We want to make it the international thing. You know, so that is the aim of Synthesis. You know, uniting the entire scene. I know it's a lot to ask or to do, but I mean, we all have dreams, so
That's not impossible.
it's not impossible.
Yeah, look, what we also want to start doing is start going out of Cape Town, Joburg, PE, you know.
And slowly build our way out to
do
go
some
to.
video shoots that side, photo shoots that side. Guys call us in to do their shows, video coverage of the show or what of media. You know, that's what we want to start doing. And I do know if we do go to Joburg, me and Div, then
We're gonna shoot.
Chip Musa is there. He's waiting for us. He just says, guys, let me know. News are there. We'll be like his honorary guests. Because look at that man's channel blew up. He just started. Have you seen Chip?
Just over 5,000 viewers. I mean, subscribers now.
Yeah,
already.
like literally like a month now.
Overnight, yeah.
Yeah, overnight. So, well done to him. Very well done to him. And he's a big fan of he even said the videos that Div puts out, it's like international quality. He just doesn't understand why it's not getting the exposure it needs, because he says, bro, the quality of this vids, it's like what you would see overseas shows, and not just overseas shows but overseas photography. So hopefully we can get the ball rolling into that. It's taking us now a bit of a while, but hopefully we can start getting it. But like I said, we need to get more audience. Whether it be us going out of Cape Town to do it, we're gonna have to start doing that.
See, Fabi is tipping here.
I would say. Yeah.
We're on our way back now. So I suppose this is the closing leg of the vlog.
Smart to close my eyes.
Fabi smart to close his eyes.
I'm
Man op
tired.
tip.
Oh, look at my eyes, man.
Hy babbeleer nog hier.
You're not getting too old for stuff like that.
Yeah, so this is the closing leg of the vlog. So yeah.
Wait, are you closing now? You're still recording?
No, I'm closing off now my prayer.
Oh, did you tell the people you just took an hour now? Attention, oh, Devil had an hour on the shoot. We had to rush into the engine garage. Go take a cut.
After Mr. Billy's.
Mr. Billy's your yasses.
That was from this morning's cappuccino and chicken and mayo. Yeah.
But yeah, we've got another shoot later. We're shooting weights. I hope I'm not jinxing the shoot, because last time I did this on the vlogs, the shoots don't work out. The guys cancel because it's raining or something happened. So yeah, I just hope we're gonna continue. Maybe we vlog later. Fabi gaan nog steeds babbelaars weer dan.
I'm more tired than anything.
I'll check you guys maybe later.
Last year that I've been up next. Can't take calls, but I send that text from way downtown, but the shit's still wet.